Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Apple Music not synchronizing library. So to do this, it's so easy. You have just to go to the Apple Music app. The first thing that you should do is that you should be sure that you are using the same Apple account in the two places. So this is your account, and to be sure you have to just to check your mail here in your Apple account. As you can see, this is my mail and my Apple Music is related to that mail, so you should be sure that you are using the same email. And mostly this is the most common problem for this problem. And after that, you have to check if your app is up to date. Go to the App Store, and after that, go and check if Apple Music needs update. If not, it's good. You can also delete the app and install it again. To delete it, just long press on it, click remove app, and after that, click delete app and install it again from the App Store. And you should be fine like that. And be sure also that the internet is working on your mobile phone, because synchronizing needs internet to happen between your devices. So that's it. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.